Your second text today is called Cheater. Katie exhaled calmly. After several long nights of studying, she finally felt ready for the exam. Walking into her English class the next morning, Katie coolly focused on the task before her. As the teacher walked up and down the rows distributing the test, Katie heard a noise. Psst! Katie turned to see Shannon staring at her desperately. Shannon whispered, "I forgot to study. Please let me copy off you. I'll do anything." Katie refused. "I can't risk it, Shannon." Each knew that if the teacher caught them, they would both fail. But Shannon persisted. "Come on, Katie, help me out. I'll give you $50. The teacher turned toward them from across the room. "Ladies, please. It's test time." Katie didn't want to jeopardize her future, but $50 was a lot of money to her, so she silently nodded at Shannon. During the exam, Katie kept her test document on the corner of her desk near Shannon, giving Shannon a clear view of all her hard work. Shannon copied Katie's test exactly, even the writing portion, word for word. After the test, Katie approached Shannon in the hallway. "When am I going to get the $50? Shannon sneered at her. "Never. What, are you going to tell someone that you let me copy? Please." Shannon snapped at Katie. Katie ran away crying, upset that she had been deceived and worried that she would get caught cheating.